Good morning, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We are here at 8:30 a.m. on January 29th up on, I think, around the 37th floor of a building here in downtown Buffalo. We're doing a huge miter job here today. We have to get our tops in the elevators. Take us our first hour just to get into the building and find a parking spot. So now let's see how we do on the rest of our install. Okay, here we are, folks, 9:10. All of our pieces are up. Now we actually start the real job. We have two seams to do. This is a mitered job, all built up, so we have quite a bit of work to get this all looking good. We got here at 7:30 this morning, so not too bad for being 9:10. Took us our first hour just to get a parking spot and to get inside the door of the building.
What are you working on, sir?
Just cleaned up the seam. Get the whitest seam you've ever seen.
Alright, seems legit.
That's right.
Don't take my line, alright?
Okay.
Or else I'll come for you.
Okay, folks, we're getting ready to glue our seam here. We have a lot going on. We have a Euro seam here in the corner. We have the built-up strip on the front edge to build, or back edge. We have the miter here to glue from here to here. That's all part of the seam, and an outside miter to do on this corner.
We're going to be doing our second and final seam in this piece, so now we're just lining up our seam clamps. And we're going to get this baby. It's not going to go. All day, and it's not going to go. Faster, faster.
Here we are, we're at 2:55 in the afternoon, just finishing up this large commercial install. We're way up in the air here in Buffalo, here with our customer, John. John, what do you think of this project?
This one fantastic. Nice, easy, smooth transition, extreme attention to detail. I couldn't be happier.
Awesome. What do you think of the process of getting this up the elevator?
That was quite the process, but it only took about 2 hours, and it was worth it for the end experience, without a doubt.
Awesome.
Very happy.
We really appreciate your business. Thank you very much.
Thank you again.
Oh, you better get out of there quick, Romeo. There you go.
Do you want me to send you all those YouTube links so you can keep track of us?
Aw, yeah, true.